Approach the car with the durable medical equipment that you were issued upon discharge. Turn with the non-surgical leg and back into the car until you feel the back of your legs touching it. Kick the surgical leg forward and place one hand on the dashboard and the other on the back of the seat and lower yourself into the car. Recline the back of the seat from the passenger side and lean back. Start swinging one leg at a time into the car while adhering to your hip or knee precautions. Adjust the back of the seat as needed, and don't forget to fasten your seatbelt and drive safe. To get out of the car, you'll reverse the process.